Hey cats and dogs, it's Sarah, and I'm so excited because today I got my first iPad ever. Here are my packages. I'm going to open this bigger package up first. And so it comes with plastic in it. Oh, and I got this in rose gold, by the way. And it says 128 gigabytes, and it's the 8th generation iPad and Wi-Fi. I thought I had to wait until 10 p.m., but fortunately I didn't have to. It actually came a little bit earlier than I thought. And so now I'm going to open this up. This will be replacing my laptop actually. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get the box open, well, just with more hands. I'm going to take it out and sauce it up. It definitely needs to be sauced up a lot before I can use it, as well as getting it started. It comes with a manual, I think this is, and a saucer. By the way, I actually have this already since I have the iPhone. It comes with stickers actually, and so these are the instructions, and pretty sure there's more. Oh, here is the picture instructions, I think this is. This is the back of it, and it's the same color as my phone. Now I'm going to put this in its case. Well, my case that I just got it. Well, just got today at Five Below. Here is the case from Five Below. I know it's really basic, but it will do its job for now. I needed a really cheap case because I'm getting one really soon, but I need a case ASAP, as in the same day as when I got my iPad. Now I'm going to put my iPad in here. Oh, and this thing reminds me of a bone. I'm going to sauce my baby up now. This is what it looks like when it turns on, by the way. Oh, and also this is what it looks like when you first get it. Well, any Apple product. Anyway, it will say this. Apparently, there's no backup, so I'm just going to set it up as new iPad. I'm definitely keeping my iPad up to date. And so this is what my new iPad looks like. I'm definitely getting video store for this app, by the way. Now I'm going to open the second package up, and I'm very sure it's the stylus pen. If not, then that's okay too. Oh, and I was right, it is the stylus pen. Awesome. This looks just like a real pen or pencil, and it comes with instructions, and I actually don't know what this thing is. So now I'm going to source this up. Oh, and this pen comes with this saucer. Now I'm going to try the stylus on here. And so it's actually not the best system, but I think it's definitely good for drawing.